some faces for Daddy. Make some faces. You got some classics going on here. You got the hiccups, huh? Got the hiccups? Oh, poor buddy. Little yawning, little hiccup when you yawn. Oh, you okay? And a choke all at once? All at once? Oh, Bubby. What's up, brother? We gotta get rid of these hiccups, man. What are we gonna do? We're gonna scare you? I don't think we can scare you. You're too young for that. What do you think? What do you want to do? What do you want to do about these hiccups? Huh? What do you want to do? Oh, we can make faces. Those faces are pretty wild. Those faces are pretty wild. Ready? Right? Make some more faces. Yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo! Get some cold cuts. Get some cold cuts. Right? Right? You got some crazy faces going on? Some crazy faces going on, dude.